Can you guess why so many business owners are struggling to get sales from Instagram? Your Instagram business profile is your storefront. If it doesn't look professional, people won't go further. But there are several things that you can do to make it look amazing. And today we'll go over the 7 steps that you can take to make your profile stand out. Let's jump in. So the first thing you need to consider when setting up a business profile on Instagram is your username. You need to pick a recognizable username. That's rule number 1. Your username is critical, as this will be what's displayed at the very top of your profile. And it's also how people will search for and find out about you. However, finding a username can be tricky because it has to be unique. Most of the time, the username you'll want to use will already be taken. If that's the case, try keeping your business name as the first part of your username to make it easier for people searching for your business to find you. The second step is to pick a searchable business name. This name can be different from your username. It will be displayed right at the top of your bio in bold. You have complete freedom here, so you should use the business name that you want with the correct capitalization. And having a clearly written business name makes it easier for Instagram users to find your business. Then you'll need to upload the right profile photo to represent your business. Your profile picture is one of the most important aspects of your Instagram business account. It is the first thing that people will notice when visiting your profile. So make sure it's easily recognizable and that it's in line with your other social media platforms. Your followers often check multiple platforms before making a purchase, and therefore providing consistency is absolutely key. For most of you, this will simply be your logo. You need to pay attention to the fact that by default, Instagram will crop your logo to display it in a circle. So you need to make sure that your logo is right in the center of your picture so that your photo can be cropped without any issue. You can also consider updating your logo to follow some of the seasonal trends that take place occasionally on social media. So don't be afraid to adjust your logo from time to time. For example, some businesses update their logos during Pride Month in June, and this is a great way to become featured within the app and gain popularity as well. And now it's time to focus on your bio. You can use this to provide a quick intro about your business and about yourself. Remember that when people buy from a small business, they always like to know who's behind the business. So don't be afraid to put a few words about who you are and where you're based. If you're in desperate need of inspiration, feel free to check what other small businesses are doing or even larger brands. Instagram itself provides a good example of a strong one-line bio, and so do Adidas or Starbucks. Step number 5, always include a link in your bio. Instagram currently allows you to have only one link in your bio. As you're setting up a business account, your intention is likely to sell your products or services, and that's why you need to add a link to your bio. We see many people use a link to a marketplace, for example to Etsy or Amazon. And this simply doesn't make sense, as you're paying these platforms up to 20-25% for one reason, which is to remunerate them for bringing new customers. So it doesn't make sense to add a link to a marketplace in your Instagram business profile. At least what you should do is add a link to a channel that you own. If you're just starting or have a side hustle or a small business and don't want to set up a whole website, you can use Shappy. The good thing with Shappy is that you can set up a catalog in seconds from a mobile, but you can also use it as a landing page to redirect your visitors to any place. This link is the most important thing in your arsenal to grow your business. Tip number 6, add your contact information. One of the exclusive benefits of setting up a business profile compared to a standard account is the ability to add your contact information. So you can add a phone number, an email, or even a physical address if that's relevant to your business. And the last thing that you can do to make your profile stand out and eventually drive more business is to make your profile more visually appealing. One of the best ways to make your profile stand out on Instagram is to pick a theme or a color palette. In order for your profile to be aesthetically pleasing, consistency is key. So you need to have consistent colors and filters, and there are many options at your disposal. You can have a single color theme, for example white or pink. You can try double colored themes like teal and orange. You can also try pop colors or even a puzzle grid by playing with Instagram's display. Whatever fits your brand is fine, but remember to always be creative. So in summary, the 7 steps you need to pay attention to in order to have a perfect Instagram business profiles are: 1. Get a recognizable username. 2. Pick a searchable business name. 3. Use an unbranded profile photo. 4. Write a killer bio. 5. Use a link. 6. Add your contact information. And 7. Make your profile highly visual by picking a theme and sticking to it. If you enjoyed today's video, feel free to give it a like and we'll produce more videos like this. If you have any other tip that comes to your mind, please leave a comment as it could benefit others too. Thanks again for watching.